my DC collection. Oh, what a day it's been today. It's been horrendous. Keith's broke. Keith, my son, my young middle one, he's broke. He's work's gone crazy. I can't get my camera to work properly. Everything's against me. But at least FedEx man, because I wasn't out me when the FedEx man delivered it. At least he left it for me. I don't have to mess about. So I'm in a bit of a rush state. So let's get this unboxed. Let's have a look at it. It's a Riddler. Oh. Right. I'm hoping I've got my camera at the minute in between my two chairs, holding itself there. I'm hoping it's working. Let's hope so. I don't have to do this again. Right, box. Ooh, it's nice. Box is a box is a box. Quick check, make sure that's working. I think so. Although I'm not very technically minded, so who knows? Right. Anyway, the box is nice. It's a statue we all want to say. Ooh. I've got number 5. Not too bad, is it? I still haven't built my media wall. I've lived in this house 6 months. And my statues are all still in storage. Every now and then I'll see a picture of them. I need them back. I need them back. But that is the next thing I'm doing. Oh, bottom. Let's turn that back. My next project I'm starting is my statue collection is the media wall. But hopefully in the next couple of months should all have them back on display. Drum roll. Hello, Riddler. Right, what have we got? What can we say? See, I can't bring you in for a close up because I say you're wedged in between two chairs. But, ooh. Well, that looks cool. Sort back. Right. Don't touch it. Ooh. Oh, that's awesome. I like this. All the bolt cutters are loose on there. That's awesome. Where can I put my hand? There we go. Oh no! Did you hear that thing drop? We got a bit of damage. I'm not sure where that's come from. Oh, it's disappointing, isn't it? Off one of the red wires somewhere. We'll find it. Not to worry for now. Okie doke. Right, I have to have a quick little stop now. I no longer live on my own. Ooh, cane. Right. What we got? Ooh. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Don't worry, as soon as it's built, I'll get a good closer look. Ooh. Here he is. A pin on his bum. Gonna assume he sits there. Yeah, that feels good. What else we got? You have a tie? The tie looks cool. Loving that tie. Alright. Some more parts. We have a hand with the trigger. Excellent. Oh, now the face. Oh, I like that. Do we say? Let's get him built. Click. In she goes. Missing a hand. Oof. Need me glasses. Riddle me this. What is black and blue and bleeds profusely? Oh, that's cool. Oh, if you'd want the riddle on the other end. Like it, like it, like it. One last thing to put in, which I'm struggling to get out because all the tape keeps ripping. Oh no. Oh wow. That looks cool. It's heavy as well, that is. Oh. I should have maybe set that on there first. Is that it? I feel like I'm missing something because there's another. What's it there? That's sat there, his foot's sat on there. All the wires going round. Oh no, got it wrong. There's a piece there. Sure, does that? What am I doing? Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. I've got to be honest, I wasn't sure if that did go in there. Ah! I found where our broken pieces as well. That's just on the back. I'll just stick it in from there if I can. Won't move for some reason. Oh, there we go. And, right, let's get you in for the close look. Okay, we have come in for the closer look. How cool does that? I'll be fair as well, when I was moving the boxes, I found a chain. Look. I dare see that in the unboxing. So I've wrapped that round. Right, let's look at this then. Top to bottom. Question mark, two little scuffs. Camera's been a pain, so bear with me. Face looking cool. The creases in his suit. Loving that green. Huh. Little question marks. Love it. Someone's got a saw now. And another one. That looks cool, doesn't it? His tie's nice as well. I like how his tie just dangles where it actually would dangle. That TV is well over. You see the green emblem on it? It's like one of them 3D logos. Remember them toys from the 80s? Oh, what are they called? They had like hologram projectors on their chests. Oh. The shoes are a bit tatty. He has not been having a good day by the look of him. Maybe come down to all the cables. Come round side, on the base here, we've got some bolt cutters. Look, these actually move, which is quite cool. That chain, when I was putting it on, it dropped in there. And to be fair, it got itself stuck and I didn't want to pull it any tighter. So I've left it there. I like this. That green light is a lot brighter in the camera than it is actually in real life. The bits of wires. Don't need these. Right, this is the bit that's broken. Camera down. So this bit here. I've just got to try and get it back up there somehow. There you go. At least it's round the back, so it's not the end of the world, I suppose. The old fuel can. This I think's cool. This looks really cool. Yeah, Main Towers, Gotham City. Yeah, I think that's Wayne Industries. The old flammable sign. Can you see them wires there? Look, they've been cut. You can still see the bits of copper coming through. That's awesome. Obviously they're not proper wires. That's next level detail though, isn't it? It's all fixed in. Coming around. Yeah, that hologram. Love that. Okay, I'll wrap this one up now. Hopefully when I get my next statue, it'll be like the old house again, everything on display. 6 months is way too long for things to be in storage. Yeah, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you're with us this far, or if you just skipped ahead, either way, thanks very much. See, this sort of detail, you're never going to see it. Just go. It's a shame, really. Just chucked me together the crudest cell ever. I put some OSB boards in the garden building a fish tank. Just chucked it on. I want it on display, man. You can't even see it because the amps light's coming through. Yeah, displayed. I brought Mr. Freeze, who is still in that box there and has been for the last 4 months. I haven't even unboxed him because I haven't done my collection yet. But I've got Bane as well upstairs. Oh, I've got Bane. Hold on, one sec. And just like that,
Vane joins the party. I haven't done an unboxing on Vane. I meant to, but when I got it I was knee deep in housework, doing the house. Yeah, I'll have to get round to doing that. Them pair look pretty cool. Turtles down there, them two there, turtles there, them two there. Oh, superb. Right, this is my last tag on, I promise. So if you're here, thank you very much. Please do like, subscribe, drop me a comment. And thank you very, very much for watching. Much appreciated. Thank you.